Hello students, in this video I am explaining you a very important topic of the straight line in 3D, and I guess that this type of problem will be definitely asked in the exam. Shortest distance between two lines. In 3D, in the space, when there are two lines, what is the distance between them? And these type of lines are known as skew lines. Skew lines means the lines in the space which are not parallel as well as not intersecting, and this can happen only in 3D, because in 2D if the lines are not parallel then they are intersecting, and if they are not intersecting then they are parallel. But in 3D, if I take one line is moving in this way and the other line is moving like this, now these two lines are neither parallel nor intersecting, then what will be the distance between these two lines? Then the distance between these two lines will be, we will imagine about a line which is perpendicular to both these lines. Look here, एक लाइन को इमेजिन करेंगे which is perpendicular, and the length of that line will be the shortest distance between two lines. Before that, there is a topic in the exercise 11.2, and that is the angle between two lines. That part is deleted this year. Angle between two lines, angle between two planes, angle between line and plane. This part is deleted from our syllabus. So after the equation of straight line, I am coming directly to the shortest distance. Now you see, this is the vector form of the line. This is A1 plus lambda B1. So this is A1 and this is B1. Second line, it is A2 plus mu B2. We are using other constant. Here it is lambda, here it is mu. So this is A2, this one, and this is B2. Now, the formula for the shortest distance is B1 cross B2 dot product A2 minus A1 upon B1 cross B2 का magnitude. So why this particular problem is important from examination point of view? You see, we have a difference of vector, we have dot product, we have cross product, we have magnitude. So in the exam, if this problem is asked, इसका मतलब हो गया, there are so many things which will be asked here. Difference of the vector. Now you see, this is A1 and this is A2. तो मैंने find किया A2 minus A1, 2 minus 1 1, minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 ये minus हो जाएगा, तो this is B1 and B2. Now we will calculate first the B1 cross B2. So it is I cap, and with I cap it is minus 2 and minus 1, minus 3. It is not required to explain you now the small steps. Then minus J, this one. So it is 2 minus 2, it will be 0. For K plus K cap, it is 1, and minus 2 and minus minus it will be plus, so it will be 3. So the answer is minus 3 I cap plus 3 K cap. Side by side we will calculate its magnitude also, because it will be required in the formula. So the magnitude will be root minus 3 ka square plus 3 ka square. So the answer is 3 root 2, and being a student of class 12th, after reading vector, I don't think it is required कि ये 3 root 2 कैसे आए. Now coming to this part, here it is B cross A, so minus 3 I cap and 3 K cap. When you are writing these type of problems, be very careful. These are minor things, and sometimes when we are not careful, we put ourselves in trouble, and the mistakes is committed by the student in this. The formula part, it is okay. Generally in these type of sums, the students are making calculations mistake. So you see this one. Now multiply this by this one. It will be minus 3. This J is not there, so it will be 0. 3 minus 6 upon 3 root 2. So the answer is minus 3 and minus 3 minus 3 and minus 6, it is minus 9. So it is 9 upon 3 root 2 or 3 upon root 2. So that is the answer. Even आप इसको rationalize भी कर सकते हो. If you rationalize this, the answer will be 3 root 2 upon 2. So this is one of the most important sum for the board examination 2020-2021. Please prepare this sum very nicely. It is very simple. You learn the formula and keep a control on the calculation part. That is the strongest point in this. For that, best is you take 2-3 sums and do the practice of these type of sums. Then you will be able to win on this part. In the next video, I'll explain you about the equation of the plane.